this is what I want to work on.
Yeah, a lot.
Before we even get to this, what we need to work on is our life.
Our life?
Life. So I want you to step off of there.
Today's video is brought to you by 310 EDU. I've always maintained one goal as a horseman, stockman, and roper, to be as consistent as humanly possible.
Woo, she heavy.
My greatest training tool for achieving this has been our video content. Applying the principles we teach at 310 EDU will give you a better relationship with your horse, a deeper understanding of stockmanship and cattle behavior, and a far more versatile roping shot selection. These videos allow us to deep dive into the finer details of our craft while breaking down missed opportunities and great shots second by second. My ranch roping field guide is free with every membership, giving you an amazing tool to work on your consistency and versatility. Scan this QR code and go check out hundreds of hours of doctoring, branding, stockmanship, horsemanship, and more. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Did you get that?
I got that!
And we will probably get into this a little more tomorrow. So here you go. All right. I'm gonna show you a little something right here.
Okay. Go for it.
All right, so if you're gonna ride your rein this short, we always tie it back, so if he does that, he doesn't step in it. So what we're gonna do here is get a little respect, right? We're gonna wake him up a little, okay? So it's our life in and through the horse. If I'm asking my horse to go forward like this, that's what I'm gonna get. If I'm asking the horse to back up like this, that's what we're gonna get, right? So this rope right here has no life in it. Right now it's dead. To this horse, that should mean nothing. We're not doing anything. But if I offer or put a little life in that rope, that should mean something to him, right? Did you see that? You see him back up?
Yeah.
We are the life. It is your life in and through the horse, right? So when I go to back up and I ask my horse to back up, I'm going to put life in my body. Back up. Let's go somewhere. Let's stop. Let's back up. Like it's gonna feel like I'm walking around on his back. Like his feet are my feet. Does that make sense? Yeah. So if I put life in this rope and I say, come on, Seabiscuit, right? And I'm like, hey, let's go somewhere, buddy. Hey, come on. And then we stop and there's death in the rope. We're dead, right? If I put some life in that rope, and that means back up. And so the way that we get a light horse, the way we get him to back up off of only our life and not this, pulling on him, is we put a lot of life in our body. We exaggerate to teach him. And so we're gonna start here with a little bit, right? I'm gonna offer a little bit. There's a little life in that rope, a little bit. And that's a pretty light horse on that deal right there, because we've probably done a little bit of that or maybe quite a bit of it, right? That's not taking a whole lot. And it's tied to his freaking saddle. So I'm offering almost nothing, right? We do want respect. We don't want to get walked on. Right? It transfers to their back. The groundwork you've done with this horse to make him light on the ground should transfer to his back, but we have to ask in the appropriate way. So the first thing you're gonna do when you say back up is you're gonna go, your big deep breath, right? That's step one. And then you're gonna rock your hips backwards, right? We talked about the fly, the same thing. That's our feel backwards. I wanna feel like I want them to back up, right? And then the last resort is gonna be, hey, back up. Do you see what I'm saying?
Okay.
You see what I'm saying? So I wanna work on this. Like today, are you staying to watch?
Yeah.
Stay in the arena on your horse, and I want you to work on this, okay? I want you to get comfortable with this, because roping off of something that doesn't understand your feel and isn't light, and you're having to use two hands, is gonna be really hard, really hard. So, and then keep them off of you. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like we can be friends when we're done, but right now we're at work and you stay over there. And then unless I put life in this thing, then I want you to come to me. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
And this will be a big deal. So today, while you're playing with this, ask questions, okay? Stay in here and ask questions. Cool?
Cool.
Hey.
So you want me to do this on the ground or on him?
No,
Wait.
I want you to get on them.
Okay. I was about to say.
Okay.
Sometimes I focus so much on the soft feel that I have no life.
Yes.
And I've been told that a lot.
Yes.
So-
Yeah. Just, I want you to imagine you're doing something. Like, hey, let's go. Like, imagine you're getting a buddy excited to go do something. Like, do you have kids?
3.
You have 3 kids. So when you're taking your kids to the stinking water park, what's that look like in the morning?
Lots of coffee.
Hey guys, come on, let's go to the water park. This is gonna be on. And that what you're saying to your horse here is, hey man, come on, let's back up.
Yeah.
Hey, let's do something. You know what I mean?
Right.
Like that's the heart behind it, right?
I go from 0 to like 50.
Yeah.
I go from like, yeah.
Yes.
There's like no in between.
Yes. So you're looking for the release there,
Yeah.
right? So reward the slightest try.
Right.
Reward the slightest try. If you're asking him to back up off of your seat and it's, so hold that, right? I'm gonna start here, seat, okay? Nothing, I'm gonna get nothing. I'm gonna get nothing. He's my best friend. Okay, then it's here, here, here.
I can usually
Here.
get him here. I don't know why I'm not able to get him with the rope.
Well, then practice how you'd be holding your rope.
Okay.
Right? So that might look like, hold it. That might look like here, 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 here.
Right.
Right? On one that knows, right?
Yeah.
Like once he understands the light feel, once you get him to do it once like this, and he ignores you, it's here, here. Right?
As loud as you have to.
Yes. Little as possible, as much as necessary. Cool?
Cool beans.
Okay. Work on that, then we'll get the rope back
Okay.
now.